Okay.
Okay. This one. There is water dripping. For this to form, it would take hundreds of years per inch. So the water that is dripping down, it also form upwards. So what is called, this is stalactite and stalagmite. See, there are others here.
So saob is kamin is your sakub. Saob kamin, your words is sakub.
Saob is a short for sakob, meaning you come in. Sakob.
So don't touch the last. So stalactite. Before color black.
It's color black. The ones upwards is the stalactite and down is the stalagmite. This one,
So it had just
thousand of years to form. Because per inch, it's more than 100 years per 1 inch of forming. This one, there is a wishing well here, a clear water.
Naalala lang kasi gusto ako po nagtutog ko ng kumahit. Sana pag-alalay. Kaya pag-i-explain ko na racing wheel. Hindi kita sa pag-iat, may kamadalurod niya.
Yan ito.
Oo, ang labang. Yung kagya kung manunod ko lang. Ano mo na yung formation?
It's slippery. Don't. Slippery. You can see the wishing well. It's clear water. Clear water. The water is so clear.
Dali yan, nalunod, dali, ani, may slide ka. Dali lang kita ni.
Kuya, ano niya? Kuya, tuon niya ba ito?
Ha?
As in, ano niya?
So, natural is tinawag po yung limestone flux. Buhay ya.
Yan, no, kanina, nabuhin niya no. Ano, nagtubig na.
So, this is Kumunoy. Kumunoy is 50 feet.
So, malalim?
Malalim to. So,
Yan ko yan ay...
no safe. Hindi po yan ay naman natin galing.